Life is for amateurs. This is one of my favorite sentences. Really, nobody has a manual on how to do life. We are just rolling and learning as we go. We are all starting at some point and are new to something. We know nothing. We are always beginners. How quickly can we get frustrated and demotivated when we look at all the experts out there, as they are doing their thing flawlessly and wonderfully and perfectly? How easy can we fall into the trap of devaluing ourselves, because that's not the level of perfection we already have on day one? And how easy is it to get lost in those trains of thoughts that bring us to a station called anxiety and depression? And then we stop to love learning. We stop to embrace curiosity, playfulness, the simple joy of doing something we don't know how to do. But learning is easy when we remember how we started out in life, how we learned to walk and talk, how we discovered the world around us with huge eyes and willing to try and fail. Learning is easy and fun when we allow ourselves to look silly, to feel stiff and clumsy. Learning is joyful when we can stumble on our words, forgetting what we wanted to say and not being ashamed of it. We fall, we get back up, we laugh, and we do it again. And we get better with time, patience, and with a beginner's mind. I had a blast that day with cracking wrists, wrong moves, and failed clapping. And I can't wait to do it more often and see myself progressing with joy and fun. And I hope that whatever it is that you are doing, what you are learning, will bring you as much pleasure as flamenco does for me.